Alrighty, gentlemen, the time has come to finally replace the seats on the Cobra. So James already started on the passenger side. Go show you. I got the seat brackets, and these will bolt into the car, and then these side frames over here. These guys will then bolt to those frames with all these holes here, and then the seat will bolt in on the side, and I'll show you what seats we went with. Woo. Woo. Yeah, that looks nice. So we got the Sparco EVOs. This is the EVO is the 34-inch waist, and it's a it's like a perfect fit. So I have a little bit of room to kind of be somewhat comfortable. I'm a 30-inch waist for pants, and this says it fits up to a 34. If you're similar to me, I'm like 6 foot, 160 to 155, and really nice fit. I don't know if I'd want to go. I thought about doing the S, which is up to a 32-inch waist, and I think that would be a little bit too small. So I think the EVOs are really good middle ground. And then if you're bigger, definitely go with the EVO L. But there we go. These look sweet though. So what's cool about these is the cushions are all Velcroed in. So if you wanted to, you can change the seat bottoms, and the back here is all Velcroed in here, so you can take these out and clean them if need be. But yeah, so might as well see how heavy these are. Oh yeah, super light. So the backs look sweet. Cool. Carry it over. Yeah. A little bit better picture of it. Height I have this at, I have the rear one at the second one up, and it's about as tight as you can get in between here. So that's the lowest it goes. Then I started at the top one, but it had too much of an angle, so I kind of flattened it out and went with the second hole. So I have the two bottom holes, and that's kind of the setup we got going.
roughly 30 pounds. At 43.4, say 43. 61.7 pounds. 61.7.
30 pounds, 31 pounds later.
Wow. That's crazy. Nice. Alrighty, gents, so these seats have been in and out of the car a couple times. So I kind of wanted to show you just kind of the final setup to make sure that these things will fit. So if you buy the same seat brackets I have with the Sparcos, the EVO, just the standard EVOs, and then the Sparco side mounts, I'll go over this again. So second one from the bottom, so it kind of sits a little bit more flat. And then the biggest thing here is on this side here, you go for the slat. So you got inside, you have a hole, then you have a slat. You do slat on this side to a hole on this side, and you kind of cheat the seat that way. So that way, when you close the door, it doesn't hit on the side here, and you kind of bring it a little bit closer, and I can kind of show you on the driver's side here what we're kind of talking about. So you basically cheat the seat that way, closer to the, even the center console has got plenty of space. So,
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, yeah. And then we got, I got a good finger width in between the seat and the door. So that is kind of how we have it set up. And then the position on where you're going to have it is totally up to you. One thing we did have to do is this mount for the seat belt. We had to bend out just a little bit. I think it was kind of bent inwards a little bit, and so it was contacting this piece here. So we had to bang this out a little bit, and then it'll fit. Install is done. There's a look at the seats. I'll do a better video once it's warm out. I'll do a nicer video, but got the steering wheel set up. Very comfortable. Not too bad to get out. Just gonna put my hand down there to get out of here, but I really like the way they look. Pretty comfortable too, which is nice. But I got plenty of room in between. Yeah. So there we go. That's gonna do it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the install at all, if you guys are looking to do some bucket seats in a new Edge Mustang. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.